Good morning. Welcome to another 2 Minute on Tuesday. As we get closer to the end of the year, we know a lot of companies do employee reviews, and we wanted to go back to our HR 360 site, which is available to all of our clients. They've added or enhanced one of the features about doing job descriptions, and I want to show you a custom job description builder. It actually takes quite a bit of time, so I've gone ahead and pre-filled out one, but I'm going to walk you through the different screens so you could see how much customization you could do to building these job descriptions. So when you do your employee reviews this year, you could have a complete custom job review for each employee. You probably could start out with a generic one for each different job description and then customize it to each employee. So when you log into HR 360, up here under HR apps and tools, there's custom job description builder. It's the second listing on there. You'll land on this page that you see on the screen now. Simply click get started, and it's going to ask you what is the job that you're looking for. So I'm going to start typing customer service, and we're going to go with customer service associate. So when I hit next, it's going to get me to the beginning part or tell me to pick one that is close enough to it, which is going to be customer service rep for this example that we'll do. And then it's going to land you on a page where we're going to start to fill out specifics about that job. And like I said, I've gone ahead and already filled out a lot of this so that I could just click back through the screens. You see here you'll put a lot of particulars about the job, what the job entails, positions, earnings on that job. After you fill that out, you're going to come to another screen that's going to ask you more about what the job does. And this is where it allows a lot of customization. They've given you a default explanation for what they call the job purpose, but you could actually come in and type in exactly what you want. And then that's for each example going forward. And there's a lot of different areas that could outline exactly what has to be done with each job. So there's a task section. You could either choose the defaults again, or individual defaults, or come down and add to that, add a specific one that you want to add to it, or make it completely custom. So they've got work activities, detailed work activities. We'll go on to the next screen here. And I think there's about 7 screens of just information, and this pertains to all jobs. So you're going to see, like here, physical activity. Well, for a customer service rep, it's not going to be very physical, but if you have a line worker, this might be a little bit different. So it does outline all the different demands for physical activity, environmental conditions that the person has to work in, different requirements of that job. So again, it allows you to customize it, how much education or work experience that you require for the job. Again, you could add to that skills required, social skills, complex skills, technical skills, system skills, resource, desktop computer skills. We'll go on to the next screen. I hit the wrong button. Now I'll hit the button. We'll go to the next screen. Here we land on tools that they'll be required to use. It's going to show not only tools or technology that they have to be involved in, so you can see if they're, your office uses Microsoft Outlook, it has a box for that, and there's a whole bunch of them that they could get very specific when I hit that more, and then you could add specific things in. So if there's a specific custom software package that you might use that requires them to have knowledge of, you could list that on there. And then what it does is it actually goes ahead and puts that data in so I could review it. So I could look through and make sure that all the things pertain to the job description that I'm building. Again, if I don't think or I miss something, or I think there's something that doesn't belong, I could go hit previous and go back to the screen and make the adjustment that needs to be. And then when I'm done, just like the other job descriptions that they have almost pretty much done for you, you have the option to save as Word. So when you save it as Word, you're going to get a working Word document that you can manipulate at any point. You could customize it. You could put the employee's name on it. Each year you could open it up, make adjustments to it. So it's a great tool to put in their electronic file and then come back and review each year. You could save it as a PDF, print it, email it, all those different things. So as we've said, as we get close to the end of the year here and a lot of companies do their employee reviews, we wanted to show you something on the HR website that makes that job a little bit easier. easier. It's under the HR apps and tools, custom job description builder. If you have any questions on that, or if you're currently not using the HR site and you'd like to take it, a trial spin on it, we'd be happy to set you up on it. Just reach out to me and I'll set you up with a login and password, just within a couple hours. My name and contact information will appear on the next screen. Have a great day.